everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this following similar figure and we are required to find their scale factor. Okay, so for scale factor, let's see. Oh, the arrow indicates that this particular diagram would become larger. Okay, so there's something for us to take note. So it has enlarged, and therefore, in order to find the scale factor, we just need to use the enlarge length over or divide by the corresponding length of the original one. So in this case here, it will be 12 over 9. And that will give me a value of 4 over 3. Now, to take note, if I use 20 over 15, you will realize that actually 20 over 15 will also give me 4 over 3. Okay? And even if I use 16 over 12, what do you think is the answer? Yes, they will also give me the scale factor 4 over 3. So as long as we use the two corresponding sides, we should get the same scale factor. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the following similar figure and we are required to find the scale factors. Okay, so notice something. Notice that the image or the figure has been reduced. So the scale factor should be less than 1. And also take note, for the scale factor, it is important to use the reduced length over the original length. So in this case, it's 15 over 20. That will give me a value of 3 over 4, which is smaller because it is reduced, smaller than 1. Alright, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this diagram which shows a logo and 2 of the length is given. Ooh, Nicholas draw an enlarged version and we are given the scale factor 4 over 3 which is bigger than 1. Find the height and the length of the two sides of the enlarged version. Okay, so this will be my height. So the enlarged height then is simply 15.5, the original. I just need to multiply by the scale factor. And this will give me 20.667 to 5SF 20.7 cm. Now, As for the length and large length, same thing, 18. I just need to multiply by the scale factor. Well, that will give me the answer 24 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the scale in fraction form. So what this means is that actually I could see this as on the map is 1 cm, while on the actual ground is 10,000 cm. So that's how you see it. So moving on for part A, you will then see that we are going to find how many cm on the map or 800 meter in the actual ground. Okay, since they want us to find what is on the map, so I will start with actual here. 10,000 cm is represented by 1 cm on the map. The first thing that caught Mr. Tan's mind is the cm, it's the meter. So I will have to convert this to meter first. Divide by 100, and that will give me 100 meter is representing 1 cm. So how much? How many cm is represented by 800 meter? What number should we times? Yes, we just need to times 8. And that will give us 8 cm. For part B, is for 5 kilometer. So in this case, notice what Mr. Tan used. Instead of starting from 10,000 cm again, I actually start from 100 meter. And where does this 100 meter comes from? Yes. Okay. But now we have to convert it to kilometer first. So we will need to divide by 1000. That will give me 0.1 kilometer. It's representing 1 cm. And this is another key step that Mr. Tan like to do. I like to try and find what is 1 kilometer. This is important because it makes things easier for us. So if I times 10, then this will be 10 cm. Because the moment I know what is 10 kilometer, 1 kilometer, sorry, I will be able to find what is 5 kilometer easily, isn't it? What number should we times? Yes, times 5. And with that, we will get 50 cm. And we are done. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the 2 cm on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground. So for part A, expressed in this form. So for part A, right, this simply means on the map. This is on the map and this is on the actual. So I will have to go by on the map. I'll start off with what is given. 2.5 cm is representing 1 kilometer. And take note, when they ask us to represent in this scale 1:R, we must make sure that both is in cm. Okay, so step 1, I will actually convert the 1 kilometer to cm. How do we do that? We multiply by 1000 to become meter, and we multiply by 100 to become cm. And therefore you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. Of course, to get 1 cm now, I would then need to divide by 2.5 on both sides. That will give me 40,000. And therefore, final answer 1:40,000. Do take note at this point, no units required. Okay, so part A is done. Let's look at part B. We are working with area scale areas now. So for this particular question, let's take a look. So for this question, right, we have to go back to the actual. It's 1 kilometer represented by, on the map, 2.5 cm. Okay, we need to get the area scale. Now that I have this, how do I get the area scale? I will have to square this. 1 square will be 1 kilometer square, and this is represented by 2.5 square, which will be, this will give me 6.25 cm squared. Now I have this, this is what we call the area scale. It makes things easier. Therefore, if I want to find what is my 4 kilometer square, what do you think we should do? Yes, times 4. That means I will just need to times 4. And that will give me 25 cm squared. And we are done with part B. Part C, they give us the area in cm square on the map. So I am going to write the map here, and the scale on the map is 6.25 cm square. This is representing 1 kilometer square in the actual ground. How do we find 2.5 cm square? Well, this is what Mr. Tan like to do. I would like to first find what is my 1 cm square. I divide by 6.25. And at this stage, you don't really have to work out the numbers yet. You can leave it as such. And therefore, I will be able to get my 2.5 cm square easily now, isn't it? 1 times a number give me 2.5. What number is that? Yes, 2.5. And that will then give me the answer of 0.4. kilometer square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given the actual area is represented by 2 cm square on the map. So for part A, how then is the area of a village of 0.25 cm square? What is the actual area? Since we are given the map, 2 cm square is representing 18 kilometer square. Mr. Tan like to do this first. I always try to find what is my 1 cm square. Yep. Divide by 2 and that will give me 9 kilometer square. And from here, I will then be able to get this easily. Right? I just need to times by 0.25. And that will give me the answer of 2.25 kilometer square. And we are done for part A. Part B. What is the scale of the map? So notice for part B, Mr. Tan going to rely on this part here. Okay, since we want the 1 cm. So on the map, I will start off with 1 cm square is to 9 kilometer square, which is on the actual. This is the blue color that I started off with. And if I do not want the square, what do? Yes, this is important. I will then need to square root both sides. And when I do that, I will get my answer. Square root of 1 will be 1 cm is to 3 kilometer. But this is not the answer yet, because for this kind of scale, we do need to have both in cm. So I already have 1 cm here already, right? Now is to convert this to cm. How do I do that? I times 1000, that will give me in meter. I times by another 100, that will give me in cm. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So final answer, 1 is to 300,000. Take note, at this point, we should not be writing any units. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are working with 2 different maps. Okay, there is a map A, 1 is to M. There's a map B, 1 is to N. So the same road is 4 cm on A, 6 cm on B. Find the ratio of M is to N. Step 1, I will need to know the length of this road, the actual length, how it looks like for map A and map B. Okay, so the blue color. This is for map A. It's representing by M, cm. So if I have 4 cm, yep, times 4. It means I also need to times 4 here. And that will give me 4m. Okay, this is important. This is the actual. distance of the road from map A. And let's look at map B. Map B is 1 cm is to n cm, and it is represented by 6 cm. And therefore, for here, I will need to multiply by, 6. Ah, but this is the same road we are talking about. And therefore, I will have my 4m equal to 6n because it is the same road. So from here, we can then try and get our ratio. Okay, I'm going to divide by n on both sides. That will give me this. I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. That will give me this line. And the simplest form, 3 over 2. And therefore, the answer I would get m is to n is equals to 3 is to 2. Part B. The length of the road is 14 cm on the map A. Find the length of the road that is represented on map B. Well, do take note that since this is the same road and we are going to be using the map, the proportion is actually the same, and therefore I will be able to get this distance, the length on map B over 14 is equal to 6 over 4, which is the same proportion from previously, 6 cm and 4 cm. And from here, I will be able to get my answer easily. Okay, so the required length that is on map B will be equals to 6 over 4 times 14, 21 cm. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.